Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. For today's topic, we will be seeing how to get a valid insurance certificate in order to apply for the visa from Expatrio. So in order to do that, I'll just open Chrome. Okay, now let's go to Google. Okay, search over here for Expatrio health insurance. Okay, you can skip the sponsored parts, select the Expatrio German health insurance package for internationals. Okay, you will see all the information over here regarding the different uh, sort of insurances. But let's get to the main part. We'll click on Get Health Insurance. Once you click on get health insurance, you will be navigated to this form. Over here, there's first question, what will you be doing in Germany? So simply you'll have to click on the drop down list over here. And there are many options. So I will be selecting Chancenkarte opportunity card. We'll click on next. Okay, then what is your age on your expected date of arrival? For this, I will be selecting as 35. Are you bringing one or more of your children to Germany? I will click on no. Okay, since I have traveled alone. Do you have any dependents who should be covered by non-contributory dependence insurance in Germany? No, since I am alone. We'll click on next. Now this is the tricky part. Okay, you see there's a toggle button over here. Okay, if you if you switch it off, then you don't have to proceed with the blocked account. But if you keep it on, then you will have to proceed with the blocked account, and then you can get the insurance. But for now, I'll just switch it off since I don't need the blocked account for opportunity card. We'll click on next. Okay, great. Please find the tailored result in the following. Then over here, you will see that there are three options for the health insurance. First one is basic, second one is comfort, and third one is comfort plus. Accordingly, there is a difference in the um, amount itself 1.10, 1.24, and 1.94 per day. So insurance in Germany, it is calculated on a daily basis. So the monthly charges for these will be 33 for basic, 37 for comfort, and 59 for comfort plus. If you click on these, then you will see the benefits of the different packages. For example, for basic, it's private health insurance, then direct digital confirmation, accepted by all German authorities. This is the basic package, which is accident insurance, then deportation cost insurance, best value for money, and then this is comfort plus, preventive examinations, vaccinations, dental uh, prophylaxis. So select whichever package you want. Okay, for now, and for now I'll be selecting comfort basic plus. Okay, select the check boxes for the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Select the checkbox for the agreement. Okay, and click on agree and apply. Once you click on agree and apply, again there will be one more form which you need to fill. Okay, for now I will select the gender as Mr. Okay, your name is important. Okay. So, I mean, basically, all these information needs to be based on your passport, the details that you have mentioned on your passport. It has to be similar. Otherwise, whenever you land over here and if you try to utilize that insurance, then it won't be possible because there is some discrepancy in your name and the name that has appeared on your insurance. Similarly, for your visa application, if your first name includes your first name and middle name, then please mention it accordingly. If you mention just your first name, and if you in your passport it is your first name and your in your middle name, then there's going to be an issue. Okay, so it has to be exactly same as it is mentioned in your passport. Okay, so I'll just type in my name. First name, the mobile number, date of birth, and we select my date of birth, 27, place of birth, country of birth, nationality, email address. All right, once all the information is filled, you can click on next. Do you already have an Expatrio account? Please log in order to proceed with your application. Okay, I think I have my Expatrio account with this email ID. Okay, now since I did it already for my name and my details are already registered in Expatrio database, so the system will not allow me to go through this process again. But I would recommend you to proceed with this. You have again 4 to 5 tabs remain, and if you proceed with each tab with the correct information, so in address you will have to provide the address that you have mentioned in your passport. In visa information, it will require the scanned copies of your passport, and in passport section you will have to again provide these scanned copies of your passport information, the first page and the last page. In confirmation you will receive an email, and on that email you will get a link. If you click on that link, then that email confirmation will be successful. It will take around 2 to 3 hours in order to get the confirmation. And once the confirmation is successful, once Expatrio verifies all your documents are correct, the visa, your passport, and all the details that you have mentioned so far, then again there will be one more email along with two attachments. So there will be two copies of your health insurance certificate, one in German language and another one is in English language. Also, from Expatrio's portal, you will get to see that you are able to access the health insurance certificates from there too, and you will also be able to make some changes over there. For example, if you want to extend the dates of the health insurance, if you want to change any information in your health insurance, then you'll be able to do that. So I'll just walk you guys through all that process. We are on Expatrio portal. So click on continue with Google. I will select my email ID for which I have opted the insurance from Expatrio. Here we will see this is the dashboard. If you have opted for blocked account, then all the information will be mentioned over here. Since I did not go through the blocked account, there's nothing mentioned over there. On insurance overviews, you will see all the products, private health insurance. So we'll click on download private health insurance certificate, and if we open that, now this was the insurance certificate that I have shown while the time of visa application at the VFS center at the German consulate. So here you will see it was valid for 365 days. While applying for the insurance itself, I have given the start date depending on the waiting period and some buffer time as well. So I have given it as 1st of October until September 30, 2025, which will be exactly 365 days. And there are two copies, one in German and one in English, as I have mentioned. So this is more than enough for you to apply for opportunity card visa. Even if someone asks you for your insurance certificate at the time of immigration, so at that time also you can show this. You can keep this handy at the airport whenever you land over here, and you can show this to the executive, to the officers. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I hope that most of you guys will benefit out of this. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video till the end. And one more thing, I just wanted to mention that if you have any queries or any questions regarding the application, regarding the process, so you can directly mail me on my email ID, which I will mention in the description below. And you can also connect with me on Facebook and my Instagram page. I already mentioned all my social media connections in the description. So please do check out. And if you like the video, if this was helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe. Share this video to the ones who are actually struggling with the application and who might need some help in order to proceed with their application. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Thanks a lot.